afternoon, everyone. We are from IDFC, and our case today is Magnum Retail. As we all know, India is one of the fastest growing economies, and the spending potential of the population has grown exponentially. Retail, of course, plays a major role in that India growth story. Our case today of Magnum Retail have a huge potential of growth, and what clearly can be seen is that it can leverage IT today to not only increase its top line, but also its bottom line.
Okay, let's try to attack the top line. Okay, so who are our customers? Our customers are, they're based in metros, okay, so and they have a sort of a income more than 60,000 kind of a thing. So they spend quite a few time on the social networking site. They take their decisions based on the recommendations from their community, which they are connected on the site. And these are typically your Gen Y customers. So what we are trying to, and basically that's where our customer is there. Actually, customer is already there in cloud. So we will try to, get the information about all our customers. And specifically in the Magnus case, we have 1 lakh followers who actually follow Magnus products. So we will actually see what their behavior, their patterns, their likings, and we'll gather this information using the technologies discussed by all these vendors, and we'll get meaningful data out of that, and we can integrate that back into our process, including customer management, including the product life cycle also. Yes. We are in a retail industry where our cost of SCM is actually 10% as against the international cost of 5%. So we can actually do process re-engineering on this entire SCM using the M2M products, which will reduce our inventory. We can attack right products, right time, and with a low feel kind of a thing, which will help us reduce our inventory and cost.
One of the innovations here is e-wallet, which we can speak about if we get time later.
So the idea behind e-wallet is, the aim of our company is to give a very rich customer experience, shopping experience. So that's the aim of our company, and that's where the e-wallet kind of things will help.
Yes, Senator.
Yeah. So basically, we have grown organically, inorganically also, and there are quite a few data centers spread across India, more than 7, I believe, and we see a tremendous potential there by doing a consolidation. What we are trying to aim here is, we are trying to use the existing resources very effectively, and sort of reduce the power wastage which is happening today, because we are not utilizing the resources to a maximum that we can do. So we see major cost benefits there, and we'll definitely use all the energy efficient tools which the vendors they are showcasing here. Today, although I would say our IT team says we achieve 99% uptime, we meet our SLAs, okay, but these teams are actually working in silos. My network team works in silos, my infrastructure team works in silos, and even though they say we give 99% uptime, but actually it's actually not helping us, our customers, our internal customers, even external customers. We can't link our SLA or uptime with their business services until we tightly integrate them, automate all IT processes, and see how these internal IT processes can improve the business. Private cloud, that's the way to go.
1 minute.
Okay, so we see tremendous potential by using private cloud. Whatever is non-core to our business, we can push to cloud, and we can focus on the internal competencies.
And pay-by-use is something that we would like to see.
Yes, obviously. We have 7,000 internal and 3,000 outsourced employees. So we see a tremendous potential by using UCM, by all this audio, video type of conferencing tools, and improves the employee productivity.
Next is.
In continuation to Santosh, enterprise security, which is very vital in our current environment, where we need to mitigate the data loss, since particularly Magnum is exposed to internet clients. We have to make sure adhere to the governance and the standards. The innovation we are doing is we are going for two-factor authentication for all the mobile devices which we are deployed to the internal users and to the customers. Thank you.